Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's yoga, I'll guide you through a warm-up and mobility routine before your runs. So it's gonna be a short practice and we'll start right away. First of all, let's sit on our heels with our toes pointed. Okay, so you can stay here with your hands on your laps, and perhaps you can stay still, or you can even move forward and back. So we're starting to stretch and mobilize our feet and our ankles. Very important support for running. And then perhaps we can turn towards the right and turn towards the left. Back to center, we can jump a bit and perhaps shake our hands in front of us. Good. And then let's come to standing. Fantastic. So I'll turn towards the camera, and from here, let's simply go front and back with the weight. So shifting it from the ball of our feet to our heels. And of course, you can do that with your shoes on just before your run. It's totally fine. You don't have to be at home barefoot on your mat. You can do that wherever you want. And then opposite direction, so left and right. Good. Now simply bring the weight on the ball of your feet and come all the way up with your hands. You can inhale and stay here for a couple of seconds. And then exhale, release. One more. And one last round. Good. Now bring one hand to the wall, for example your left, and plant to your left foot. And from here start swinging your right leg front and back. Chin side. Good. Now come in front of your wall. Sorry for my back. And from here, simply plant your left foot and simply swing your right from left to right. Switch sides. And then back to center. All right. Now open your legs. From here, inhale, look forward, and exhale, you can bring your hands on your thighs or on your calves or simply to the floor in front of you. And from here, simply bend your left knee and extend the right leg, and then to the other side. You don't have to go too deep here. Just control your movement and check out how far you can go. Okay, back to center. This time bend your knees and you can fold forward And if this is not accessible for you, you can bend your knees even a lot, release your head, make sure that the stance allows you to be heavy, with your head heavy without touching the floor. And then, if this is accessible for you, you can also interlace your hands and elbows above your head and swing left to right. All right, back to center. Bring your hands in front of you, and then slowly, one vertebra at a time, unroll your back to standing. One last exercise is bringing your knees to your chest. And then you can make a variation, grabbing your foot and your knee to make sure we have an external rotation here. Back to center, come back to the mat, downward facing dog. Pedal a bit your dog here. And then come back to seated. Good. You're all set, ready for your next run. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't already, and I'll see you on the next practice. Before you go, guys, if you really enjoyed the practice and you want to know a bit more about why your body feels the way it does, I created something for you. It's a free mobility assessment. It's 5 tests. It's about 10 to 15 minutes to do it. I think it's really helpful for you guys in order to really understand where your body is restricted and why. So feel free to share it. It's in the link below. And hopefully I'll see you soon on the mat. Namaste. Ciao.